Hello everyone. In this session, I'm going to discuss about transformations and identities in trigonometry. We will see mainly transformation from sum to product, from product to sum, and some basic identities. Okay. So see, the basic identities what we know for compound angles. Sine of a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Sine of a minus b we know. Cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. Okay. What if you add these two? If you add these two, this particular term will become 0 and you will get 2 sine a cos b. If you add these two, this term will be eliminated and we will get 2 sine a cos b because it is there 2 times. That's why. So you will get sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b as 2 sine a cos b. Okay. This is known as product, from sum to product. In another case, we will subtract, we will multiply, all those we have seen. If you observe, the formulas will be like this. If you add, you will get 2 sine a cos b. If you subtract, you will get 2 cos a sine b. For cos, if you add, you will get 2 cos a cos b. If you subtract, you will get minus 2 sine a sine b. These are the formulas which product to sum to product. Okay, just learn them, by head them, and use them in the formula. Just see here, this is of the form 2 sine a cos b. If anyway you see this particular arrangement, you can write sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. Sorry, plus sine of a minus b. This is our formula. So they have given the left hand side of the formula and we can write the right hand side of the formula is nothing but sine of a plus b, 4x plus 2x, which is 6x, plus sine of a minus b, 4x minus 2x is 2x. Okay. Now let us see the solution for some values. 2 sine a cos b is nothing but sine of a plus b. Sine of 54 plus 66 into, not into, plus sine of a minus b, 54 minus 66. Here what we will get? Sine of 54 plus 66, 110, 120 plus 54 minus 66. We will get sine minus 12. Okay. Sine 120 is nothing but sine 90 plus 30. Sine minus theta is minus sine theta. So it is minus 12, minus sine 12. Sine 90 plus 30 is cos 30. Cos 30 we know it is 1 divided by 2 minus sine 12. Okay. Now let us see the formulas, sum and difference of sines and cosines. We have seen these 4 formulas. What if you add, what if you subtract sine function? What if you add, what if you subtract cos functions? Now for the same, I am taking this one, first one. I have sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b, which is 2 sine a cos b. Okay. Here what I will do, I will assume a plus b as c and a minus b as d. If I add these two, if I add a plus b is equals to c and a minus b is equals to d, what I will get? Addition. 2a is equals to c plus d and a is equals to c plus d by 2. Substitute this in any one of the, okay, we will get C plus D by 2 minus B is equals to D. Then what you will get? B is equals to C plus D by 2 minus D. B is equals to C plus D minus 2D by 2, which is nothing but C minus D by 2. So A is C plus D by 2, B is C minus D by 2. So what I can write, I can rewrite this one as sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. I can rewrite as 2 sine A cos B. See, I am replacing A plus B with C. So sine C plus A minus B with D, sine D, which is nothing but A I need to replace with C plus D by 2. So 2 sine C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Because B is C minus D, just we have C. Where is it? Okay. Hope everyone understood how to derive the formula. Okay. Same like this, we will derive all these formulas. Sin C plus D is nothing but 2 sin C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus D is 2 cos C plus D by 2. Sin C minus D by 2, cos C plus cos D, both are cos C minus cos D, both are sin but with a negative sign. So based on this, we will solve some questions. Just see, sin 70 cos 40. I don't have such kind of combination. All my formulas are like this. You just observe. Both are in sine, both are in sine, both are in cos, both are in cos. So I need to change this to solve. What I can do? Sin 70 as it is I am writing. This I can write as sin 90 minus 50. So this is clear. Cos 40 I can, by using complementary angle, we can change into sine. Okay. 90 minus 50 is a sine 50 we can write divided by cos 70 as it is I am writing. Sine 40 I can write as cos 50. Okay. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2. 70 plus 50. 120 is nothing but 60. Into sin C minus D by 2. 70 minus 50. 70 minus 50. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin A cos C, no? Just now we have seen. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So using that formula, I can write here into cos C minus D. 70 minus 50 is 20. 20 by 2. Okay, 20 by 2 means I will get finally 10. Cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? 2 cos C plus D by 2, which is nothing but cos 120 by 2, which is cos 60 into cos C minus D. 70 minus 20 is nothing but again we'll get cos 10 only. Now observe this cos 10 and cos 10, 2 will be cancelled. Sin 60 by cos 60 is tan 60. We all know tan 60 is root 3. So this is clear for everyone. Let us see the second question here. Sin 24 cos 6. Sin 24 cos 6. I need to change one of this. Then only I can solve, because my formulas are like this. Both are in sine, then I can write like this. Both are in sine, then I can write like this. Both are in cos, then I can write like this. Both are in cos, then I can write like this. But the question is, one is in sine, one is in cos. Sine, we need to change, we need to convert by using complementary. So I can write here sin 24 plus sine 74. Why sine 74? I will tell here. Not 74, 84. Cos 6, we can write as cos 90 minus 84. Okay. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Hope this is clear for everyone. Now we can use sin C plus sin D formula. Now we can use sin C plus sin D formula. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2. 20 plus 80. 100, 108 by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus D, 24 minus 84 minus 60 by 2. So what we'll get here? 2 sin 54 into cos minus theta is minus cos theta only. So we'll get here cos 30. Finally, what is sin 54? What is sin 54? 2 sin 54 is root 5 plus 1 by 4 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So what we will get finally here? This and this will be cancelled. We will get root 15 plus root 3 divided by 4. This is our final answer. Okay, let us see the next question. Again, cos 66, sin 84. Both should be in cos. So I will change this sin 84. Cos 66 plus, I can write cos 6. 90 minus 84 is 6. So cos 6. Now I can use cos C plus cos D formula, which is 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D. 72 divided by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Cos 60 by 2. So we will get here 2 cos 2 3s 2 6s. Cos 36 into cos 30. Okay. What is cos 36? We have seen in our submultiple angles. Cos 36 is nothing but sin 54. Already we wrote sin 54 value. Root 5 plus 1 by 4. 2 into root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. And cos 30 is nothing but sin 60 root 3 by 2. Oh, again, same question. Okay. Very good. So we'll get root 15 plus root 3 divided by 4. This is how we will find out the solutions. Okay. There is a to that question here. What we need to do? Just see, I will take these two. Sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2. A plus 5A, 6A by 2 is nothing but 3A. Into cos C minus D by 2. Cos 4A. Cos 4A by 2. Cos 4A by 2 is nothing but cos 2A. Plus, just take these two and apply the sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2. Sin 2A, 4A. 6A by 2 means 3A will get. Into cos 2A by 2 is nothing but cos A we will get. Divided by cos C plus cos D. You just apply for these extremes. You will get 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos 6A by 2 is nothing but cos 3A. Into cos C minus D by 2. cos 4a by 2 is nothing but cos 2a plus these two, if you solve, 2 cos 6a by 2 is nothing but 3a into cos a. Okay, now just observe 2 sin 3a, 2 sin 3a, that's a common thing. 2 sin 3a is a common, we'll be left with cos 2a plus cos a divided by, in the denominator also, cos 3a, 2 cos 3a common, 2 cos 3a is common, we will be left with cos 2a plus cos a will be left. And if you remove, cancel this common thing, and this one will be left with sin 3a by cos 3a, which is nothing but sin 3a by cos 3a is tan 3a. So this is clear for everyone? Yes. Let us see the next slide. Okay. Read the question carefully. Prove that cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square is equals to 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, let us take the LHS and let us simplify. For this, I can apply cos c plus cos d formula. So I will get 2 cos c plus d by 2 alpha plus beta by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 whole square as it is will come, plus for this we can apply sin c plus sin d formula. 2 sin c plus d by 2 alpha plus beta by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 means alpha minus beta by 2 whole square as it is will come again. I just observe here cos alpha minus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 and the 2 the square is there, of course. If you split this by using the formula ab whole power m, a power m into b power m, we will get. So the power is for all the three factors whatever is there inside. So what we can take out from these two terms common is 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is a common thing, and here we will be left with cos square alpha plus beta by 2 plus sin square alpha plus beta by 2. Why square here? The square is for all the three factors. There are three factors. The square is for all the three factors. We need to do. Now, just see. This is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, we know, and the remaining is cos square alpha minus beta by 2 as it is will come into 1. This is our right hand side. Okay, we have taken the left hand side and we proved the right hand side. And that's all for now. Thank you.